Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix QuickBooks error codes, beginner guide step by step clearly. In this guide, we will walk through how to fix QuickBooks error codes. First, identify the specific error code you are encountering. Consult the QuickBooks support website for a detailed description of the error. Next, back up your company file to ensure your data is safe while troubleshooting. If you are experiencing an installation error, try reinstalling QuickBooks. Uninstall QuickBooks from your computer through the control panel. Then, download the latest version of QuickBooks from the official website. After that, install QuickBooks and follow the prompts on your screen. For file-related errors, use the QuickBooks File Doctor tool. Download and install QuickBooks Tool Hub if you haven't already. Open QuickBooks Tool Hub and select the Company File Issues section. Click on Run QuickBooks File Doctor and wait for the tool to analyze your file. If the tool finds an issue, it will attempt to fix it automatically. Another common error is a network problem. Check your internet connection to ensure it's stable and fast. If using QuickBooks in a multi-user mode, verify that all users have access to the company file. Ensure that your QuickBooks software is updated to the latest version. Go to the Help menu and select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Then, click Check for Updates and install any available updates. If you're receiving a payroll-related error, make sure your payroll subscription is active. Check the payroll settings to confirm they are configured correctly. In case of database errors, rebuild your company file by selecting the Utilities option. Choose Rebuild Data and follow the on-screen prompts. Once the rebuilding process completes, verify that the file is error-free. Occasionally, antivirus software can interfere with QuickBooks. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and check if the error persists. For persistent errors, consider reaching out to QuickBooks customer support. Be prepared to provide the error code and a description of the issue. Taking these steps will help you troubleshoot and fix common QuickBooks error codes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.